So if you are a college student looking for internships, then this video is for you. In this video, I will talk about an internship that is from a very good company and requires no prior work experience. The compensation they provide you for the internship will be also very good. So watch this video till end to know everything in detail and subscribe our channel to get the latest job updates like this instantly. Let's move to the hiring. So the role they mentioned is intern, integration, test and analytics. The job location is Bangalore. This is the job ID. If you have connections on LinkedIn that are currently working in Airbus, then you can try to get referral before applying in this opportunity. This will increase your chances of getting hired, but please keep in mind you should apply before this hiring gets expired. So now let's move forward. This is the job description. They clearly mentioned they are looking for a fresh graduate. So if you do not have any prior work experience, then you can also apply in this. The chances of getting you shortlisted is very high. This is more about the job. Also, this is a 6-month program and this will start in June 2026. This will be your main responsibilities. You can read this. I will provide you the link in description for this hiring. We will only talk about necessary things in this video. It is also mentioned here your tutor will support you identify your professional objectives and develop your skills. So you will grow under the supervision of professionals. So you will learn a lot in this opportunity. It is also mentioned this internship will allow you to develop the following skills. First, software and AI development. This is the most trending skill right now. You should know this skill in 2026. You will also get aerospace domain knowledge, simulation and data engineering, system verification, and automation. So, automation is also an important skill. So, let's talk about eligibility criteria. First of all, zero work experience. This program is exclusively for candidates with no prior full time professional work experience. Academic projects are excluded from this and are welcome. So, this is the very good thing here. If you are just pursuing a technical degree, you can apply in this internship. And why I am saying that this is a great opportunity because Airbus is a good company. Generally, this type of companies do not hire freshers without prior work experience. So, this is a very great opportunity for you. Now, let's move forward. Commitment, ability to commit to the full 6-month duration of the internship. So this was about the eligibility criteria. Now let's talk about technical skills that are required. So programming logic, good conceptual understanding of object-oriented programming concepts, proficiency in Python is essential. Familiarity with C, C++, or C Sharp is a plus. Python is a mandatory skill in AI/ML works. And also this is a airline company. So if you know C or C++, this will also benefit you. About data handling, basic ability to work with data formats, CSV, JSON, XML, and an interest in data processing or mapping logic. So this is basics, you should know this. Foundational AI/ML knowledge, academic understanding or project experience with machine learning basics, computer vision, OCR, or generative AI concepts is highly desirable. This is the most important skill required here. If you have like basic projects in machine learning or computer vision or Gen AI, this will highly benefit you. So please keep this in mind while you are applying for this. Include these projects in your resume. Testing fundamentals, theoretical knowledge of the software testing lifecycle or system verification process. Tools, basic familiarity with version control systems, example Git, and standard engineering documentation tools. Git is also required here. Also mention this in your resume. Now let's talk about the soft skills that are required here. So first of all, learning agility. A strong curiosity and willingness to learn complex aerospace standards, simulator environments, and new technologies, AI or Gen AI. Analytical mindset, attention to detail with a logical approach to problem solving and debugging code or processes. That means you should be good at problem solving. That directly means you should know DSA. Collaboration, ability to work efficiently within a diverse team of system engineers, developer and testers. Teamwork is also important here. Communication. Clear written and verbal communication skills to document, test results, and explain technical concepts to mentors. Passion for aerospace, a genuine interest in aviation, flight simulators, or aircraft systems is key to enjoying this role because this is an airline company. So you will also get to know about this. So this is a good opportunity, and the language skills mentioned here are English, negotiation or fluent. This is a basic requirement. So this was about the job. You can read the additional information through the link in description. I will provide you the link in description for this hiring. Please apply for this hiring fast as this types of hiring expire very soon, and also subscribe our channel so you can get latest job updates like this instantly and you can apply in them before they get expired.